9:15. Should I tell my mom that? Wait.
I'm so sorry. You poked me.
What?
If it's dark, I will leave your bike here.
Why?
Or I'll just follow them. If it's dark, they're leaving their bike here. If it's still a little bit light, I'll follow them to the road and cross.
You can probably just walk back
Fire.
to the house, like tomorrow and get them. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we could ride around too.
It'll be a nice walk too. Yeah, cause like. Eve, are you doing anything tomorrow? Say, Kenzie's mom said she'll take us home at 9:15.
Mom, look.
Dark, we're gonna leave our bike.
Fire. Burning. Britton, I told you, stop.
Why are you touching that?
Anyways, we're burning my school papers.
You have so many of them.
I know, like, I don't empty my thing, so it's okay. It's okay, I got you.
I don't. Oh! I feel like the flag goes everywhere. Oh, girl.
Girl dinner.
Girl dinner. Oh, girl dinner.